Welcome to Edward's Greenhouse. Today we're making a fall leaf crown. Included in your kit are faux fall leaves, glue dots, and some ribbon. You'll also need some scissors from home. Let's begin by folding a piece of ribbon in half to mark the center. This will help us place the first leaf on center. You'll have a few different colors of leaves to choose from. Choose one to start with and using some glue dots, adhere the leaf securely to your ribbon. You may need to use a few glue dots per leaf to get it really secure and keep the leaf relatively flat. Continue adding glue dots if needed. Once the first leaf is secure, let's add another. Like us, you may decide on a contrasting color next. Again, start by adding a glue dot to the center of the leaf to secure it to the ribbon. Add another leaf to the other side of the center leaf, securing with glue dots. For the next leaf, you may choose another contrasting color or one you've already used. It's all up to you and your creativity. We'll continue with the same technique of securing leaves one at a time until we have filled in the length of ribbon needed to create your crown. Once you've placed all the leaves, you may want to go back in one more time with a few glue dots to secure any leaves that feel loose or secure down some leaf edges. To fit your fall crown, simply tie the ribbon around your head or have someone help you. A simple knot will do, but you can do a bow if you prefer. If you have unwanted ribbon length, trim with a pair of scissors. And there you have it, a fun little crown to wear all fall long. We hope you enjoyed this fall craft. Be sure to check out the other DIY demos on our website. Thanks for joining us.